DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. China's AI shocks the world. The AI world is in chaos. China's new AI, DeepSeek, has just outperformed ChatGPT, sending shockwaves through the US tech industry. Stocks are crashing, and experts are panicking. But how did this happen? Let's break it down. DeepSeek, open source, low cost, high performance AI. DeepSeek, the new AI model from China, has taken the tech world by storm. Launched just last week, it's already the most downloaded app in the US, surpassing ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude AI. But what makes DeepSeek so special? It's open source, low cost, and built on underpowered chips, yet it outperforms its competitors. This is a game changer. US tech stocks crash as DeepSeek rises. As DeepSeek's popularity soared, US tech stocks took a nosedive. Companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Meta saw their shares plummet. Why? Because DeepSeek's low-cost model threatens the sustainability of high-end AI investments. The US, once the leader in AI innovation, is now facing serious competition from China. DeepSeek, faster, cheaper, and open source. DeepSeek's R-on-2 model was built on underpowered chips, yet it rivals ChatGPT at a fraction of the cost. Its open-source nature and unlimited free usage have disrupted the AI market, forcing US competitors to rethink their strategies. This isn't just about performance, it's about accessibility and affordability. China's AI breakthrough, a threat to US dominance? DeepSeek's rise highlights China's growing AI capabilities, despite US export bans and restrictions. This isn't just a tech battle, it's a geopolitical one. With DeepSeek leading the charge, the US is facing a new reality. The AI race is no longer a one-horse race. Who will win the AI race? US or China? So, what's next? Will DeepSeek continue to dominate, or will US tech giants bounce back? One thing is clear. The AI landscape is changing fast, and the world is watching. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news and analysis. Stay tuned as we explore the future. Thanks for watching.